Guys, welcome to my channel where I share tricks and tips on digital marketing and how to make money online. Another inspirational videos just for you. If you are a new timer on this channel, please click the subscribe button and make sure you subscribe and click the notification to ensure that you get new videos from me. You get notified by YouTube when I post new videos that will help you in digital marketing and to make massive sales online. I welcome you to my channel once again, and I know you do so well to enjoy it. Thank you very much. If you are a returning subscriber and this current video you are watching has added value to you, please don't forget to like and use the hashtag that is attached in the comment section. Thank you.
Hello everyone, how are you today? I'm sure you are doing great. Today, I want to teach you how you can secure your Instagram account. Because of the increase in numbers of ads using our ATM cards and debit cards, we now have occurrences of hacking going on most Instagram accounts and Facebook accounts. Today, we shall be learning how we can simply secure our account by using a two-factor authentication level on your Instagram account. How do you get to do that? Number one, you would go to your settings in your Instagram account. You can just click on the ellipsis. You have about 3 or 4 buttons on the right hand side of your Instagram account. Then you select security. When you select security, then you select two-factor authentication. When you select two-factor authentication, you have two options. You can either use the recommended version of a password application if you install that application on your phone, or you receive a text message on the phone number you use to register for the account. When you use that option, then a 6-digit code will be sent to your phone line. That 6-digit code, when you enter it into the Instagram account as requested, your Instagram account will be verified. What is the implication of this? At any point in time you are signing in from a different IP address or a different browser or a different phone that is not recognized by Instagram as the one you've been using before, that number will need to be alerted. So you must use a number that is not very common in the public domain, so that someone will not hack your Instagram account and then hack your phone number and then get access to all your details that you have put there, especially your card details and your holdings there. Now, when you have done that, you will be able to secure your Instagram account. Additionally, you have access to what we call recovery codes. These recovery codes are necessary for you to recover your account in case you miss your phones or your devices. If your phone or devices are missing, then you can use this recovery code. It means the recovery codes can help you to get back on Instagram or any other account. I hope this will help you greatly and help your business. See you in the next video. Thank you.